Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I know it has been such a long time since y'all seen my face on here, and to be honest, I have been struggling with putting out perfect content out here that it just stopped me from filming. I just wanted to make sure that everything on here was up to par and up to my standard, that it just didn't happen and I just didn't film. With that being said, I had to dig a little bit deeper to figure out why I started this in the first place, and the sole purpose was to share and at least inspire anybody out there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back to the basics. The last video that I posted was of this entrepreneurship series that I wanted to start. That is still in the works, but the main purpose of this video is an apartment tour, just to get back in the process of sharing. Last apartment tour that you saw, I was in Raleigh, North Carolina. I am now in Hartford, Connecticut. I moved with my job, so I am going to show y'all how I decorated this apartment, because I've been here for 10 months now and I am actually in the process of moving again. I'm moving to Vermont. What better time to show y'all my apartment than now? I have been living with my cousin and a pet cat, which I'm gonna introduce later on in this video. So let me just stop rambling and give y'all what y'all clicked this video for, which is an apartment tour. So let's get into it. Start from this entryway, but before we do that, let's start from the hallway. This apartment used to be a hotel before it got converted into apartments, and we were actually one of the first residents in here. So for the longest, we had this whole hallway to ourselves. We were the first people on this floor. And just yesterday I saw a neighbor move in, so we do have a neighbor right down the hallway, and it so happens that we're moving, but we did have this whole floor to ourselves once upon a time. So yeah, let's get inside. Wait, hold on, Raj, let's go. So here is my pet cat, Raj. He is a 2-month-old kitten, and we named him, he's so camera shy right now, but we named him after Princess Jasmine's pet tiger from Aladdin, and he's just the cutest little thing ever, and I love him so much. Yeah, Raj? Okay, I'm gonna let you go now. Go. So once we walk in, we have a mirror so that you can check yourself out, tell yourself you look good before you step out the apartment, and when you come in you see how good you look again and you're like, dang, I look so good, so that's why we have this mirror right here. And then we have our shoes here. You don't really need to see that, but this is where we keep our shoes when we come in. So right over here we also have my cousin's bathroom. She utilizes this the most, and she decorated this bathroom. So this is what she did with it. She is also into skincare, so this is how much skincare stuff that she has, and perks of that is I get to sneak in here and use some of her products. Don't tell her, even though she's behind the camera right now, she hears me. But yeah, she's into skincare, and we have a whole salon right over here. Moving in to the kitchen. What can I say about this? That we just have the major components of the kitchen. We have the microwave, the stove, a fridge, and a dishwasher. Over here my cousin has her coffee maker. She's a coffee lover, so she loves that, and we have that on deck. And you know, I love to cook, so you know, I be here chefing it up and doing my thing. But yeah, I love the kitchen. As you can tell, we have filled up everything. Like all these cabinet spaces are filled, and we utilize it quite a lot. And actually, one of the selling point about this apartment was like the amount of cabinet spaces it had. So we've really enjoyed our time here. Moving on, right away from the kitchen is my cousin's office space. She has always worked from home, so even prior to COVID, she has been working from home. So we definitely had to make sure that we got a space that was dedicated for her. But a couple months after moving here, COVID hit in March, and I also transferred from going into the office to working from home. So I also created my office space all the way to this far corner of the living room. So yeah, that brings us to the living room. Right over here we have my couch. The same couch I had in Raleigh, North Carolina, and now I brought it here in Hartford. But this is how we decorated it. We were going for the gold, gray, white, minimalistic look. I don't know if we achieved it, but we tried. And yeah, this is what we have over here. Our favorite part about this apartment, I and my cousin, is the view of downtown Hartford. Like, you can't beat this. It's nighttime right now, so you're probably not seeing everything, and the camera is probably not doing it justice, but it is amazing. We get to see the entire highway and like the, you know, a view of downtown Hartford. Moving on to my cousin's room. Let's see. Alexa, turn on the bedroom light.
Bedroom doesn't support that.
Wow. Fail! Alexa, turn on the light. Alexa, there you go. Okay. We're in my cousin's bedroom right now. As you can tell, she's into the technology. She wired her room for Alexa to turn on her light, so that's what we just saw. But this is her bed. I'm not gonna invade in her privacy, but we're just gonna show you a quick panoramic view of it. And then right from her room, last but not the least, I am going to show you my bedroom. Did I mention that we had 2 bathrooms? One of it is right by the entrance, and the second one is in my bedroom, right over here. We could start with the bathroom. Nothing major. It has the basic components of a bathroom. We have a sink, toilet, and a tub on the other side. Yeah, I was just going for the cool tone. Nothing major, nothing wild. But my favorite part about the bathroom is actually this little mirrors that I had decorated up here. I really like it. I had it in my prior apartment, and it's now moved in here with me. So yeah, this is my bathroom, and from the bathroom is my bedroom where I get to lay my head. And honestly, when you walk in, the major thing you see is this bed. And I love this bed so much. I've been eyeing it for the longest, and I finally decided to bite the bullet and just buy it. So I just love this. This is a queen size bed, and it fits very perfectly in this space. And that also shows you how big this room is too. Like, there's enough space to walk around. This is what I have going on. Let me turn on this light too. And I was going for the white theme, just minimalistic gray white, you know. I don't really like that much color. So this is what I have going on in my room. And I have a plant in the corner and also a plant wall right over there as well. So I think we've gone through everything, right? You've seen our 2 bathrooms, our 2 bedrooms, and our workspace, and I think y'all pretty much seen everything in this apartment. I am very grateful and thankful that I get to live in a space such as this, and I'm also glad that my cousin decided to move in with me, because imagine living here by myself in this COVID times where I can't go out, I can't do anything. So thank you for living here with me. She's behind. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's keep going. Let's continue to share and inspire each other, and keep putting out content to the world, because life is too short. I just want to share with y'all. So let's keep building together.